Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Chris. In this video we are going to learn about data type conversion. The process of converting the value of one data type to another data type is called type conversion. Python has two types of type conversion: implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. In implicit type conversion, Python automatically converts one data type to another data type. Python always converts smaller data types to larger data types to avoid the loss of data. Let's check a quick example. When you add two different variables, for example an integer and float, the resultant value will always be float, because float is larger in size compared to integer. But when you try to add an integer and string, Python will throw an error message. To overcome this issue, we use explicit type conversion. In explicit type conversion, users convert the data type of an object to required data type. We use the predefined functions like int, float, str, etc. to perform explicit type conversion. This type of conversion is also called typecasting because the user casts the data type of the objects. Let's check in quick example here. We created a string and integer here. We converted the string from string to integer type using int function to perform the addition. After converting string to an integer value, Python is able to add these two variables. We got the resultant value and data type to be an integer. That's it for today's lecture. Comment down the next topic you want to cover. Drop a like and subscribe for more please.